100 meters butterfly elementary girls. Gold medalist, Anadio Anika G from Unit 3. Silver medalist, Virgilio Sofia C from Unit 1.
Event number 47, 50 backstroke elementary boys. Gold medalist, Alcaide Arnold T from Unit 3. Silver medalist, we have Badaran ACM from Unit 1. Bronze medalist, we have Teplo Eugene C from Unit 3.
Event number 48, 50 meters backstroke. Gold medalist, Paulo Pina Joy A from Unit 3. Silver medalist, Sasidon Kendra from Unit 1. Bronze medalist, Marikit Evelyn C from Unit 1.
Event number 51, 4x50 freestyle relay elementary boys. We have gold medalists, Templo, Cabulin, Ortajo, Carpentero from Unit 3. Silver medalists, we have Maligao, Otero, Roselio Damarin from Unit 1.
Event number 52, 4x50 meters freestyle relay. Gold medalist,